When Maria escaped the nightmare of trafficking, she had nothing, no family nearby, no English, and no sense of what her future could hold. Every step felt uncertain, but she carried one powerful thing that could not be taken from her: hope. With the support of Project Learn staff, Maria began rebuilding her life. She started in our English program, learning the language one word at a time. With each new phrase, she grew more confident. That courage carried her forward to earn her GED, a milestone she once thought was forever close to her. Maria continued in our workforce development program and earned an industry-recognized credential. This achievement helped her secure a job in the healthcare field, where she was determined to help others heal. She did not stop there. Maria flourished in an employer training program that elevated her career. Through her journey at Project Learn, she found community, healing, and purpose. Surrounded by people who believed in her, Maria discovered her own strength. Today, her life is full of hope and purpose. This stay-at-home tea season, you can help someone else take their first brave step. Your support gives adults in Summit County the chance to learn, to grow, and to rewrite the future they deserve. Thank you for pouring hope into someone's future.